Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to create new Gmail account by using your mobile phone. Actually Gmail account is really very important for us because through this Gmail account we can do lots of things. So if you really want to learn how to create a new Gmail account, that time this video is only for you. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So for creating Gmail account, you can use lots of application. You can use Google Chrome, you can use Google Play Store, and you can also use Gmail application. Okay, so I will show you from Gmail application. So let me go to my Gmail application, and after that you can see in there a profile icon. So let me click on it, and if you using new phone, that time you will see another interface which is this one. So you can click add another email address. Okay, so whatever, so let me click this one, add another account, and after that click here Google option, then give here your phone password, then click here create account, then for my personal use, after that choose here your proper name. So let me choose my name which is Saif, and you can choose surname also. So let me give another name, Saif Islam, and then click here next option, then choose here your date of birth. Okay, so let me give this date of birth, and remember one thing, you need to give above 16 years old. Okay, otherwise your account will be locked. So whatever, just choose here gender, male or female, whatever you are. So let me click here next option, then create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. Okay, so you need to create a username. So let me create mine, Saif. Suppose I take this number, and after that let me try, and that username is taken. Try another. Okay, so let me add some another letter, then click here next option, and after that I need to choose my password. Okay, so let me give mine. So after giving your password, let me click here next option, then click here next option again, then I agree, and account already created. Okay, so let me click here my profile icon, then in the bottom you can see Saif Islam. I created this Gmail account right now. So let me click this one, and after that again click here profile icon, then click here manage your Google account, and then click here personal information. Then you can add profile picture from there, and you can add phone number also. Okay, if you add phone number, that time next time you can recover your Gmail account easily. Okay, and you can also do another setting, which is just go to security and sign in settings, and after that you can turn on two-step verification so that no one can get access in your Gmail account. Okay, so that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can create new Gmail account by using your mobile phone. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you.